Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off professional account on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button. Here it is. And then as you can see, I have a professional dashboard. So it means that I have a professional account or business account, it doesn't matter. So if you want to turn off this professional account, you need to click on the three lines at the top right corner. So after that you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and find for professional section and click on the creator tools and controls right up here. Then you will see this list of options. You need to click on switch account type. Here it is. And then you need to click on the switch to personal account button. So then switch to personal account again. So after that you need to go back to your profile. Then you can refresh your profile, and as you can see I have no professional dashboard. That means that my account is personal. So and that's all, and that's how to turn off professional account on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.